to be able to create a brand, a website, a solution, a web app, etc., within minutes. So they can start actually testing if there is a business opportunity for them. AI doesn't build a whole business, but it gives the ability and the tools for them to get started. And most people that I've met, they have the idea and it takes long for them to actually get started. That's what we're offering in this workshop, from idea, analysis, understanding your target market, your business model, putting the minimum viable product live, and giving you a 100-day plan with weekly milestones for you to actually go through it and give it a chance.
That's clear. You're promising that people leave with a live MVP and a 100-day plan. In your view, does that actually remove the deeper barriers like lack of time, money, or clarity, or does it mainly solve the execution piece?
It doesn't remove barriers, but it converts those barriers into actually making a plan for them. What happens is that usually is that people look for advice online and they see this generalized advice of you have to work at night or you have to do this during the weekends, but this doesn't apply to every single person's context and life and limits and family situations and constraints. So in this workshop, what we're aiming is actually consider all your constraints and consider them into the plan so you can be realistic in what can you achieve. And in the past, it was not so easy. Right now, AI solutions are just making things easier to do more with less time. As long as you are committed and keep going and don't quit, you're going to build something great. It's just that yeah, it removes the fear. It gives the people an actual push and direction, and it saves them time instead of them having to be exploring how many tools and what to use and where to explore and what to do. You have two people with experience in building businesses and growing them in different markets, helping you and guiding you on where and what to test and which platform to use to get going. And that's what we're offering.